Hi everyone, here we've got MOTOROLA Moto G10 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, we have to open the keyboard, for example messages, it doesn't really matter, and right now we can take a look at this option bar and tap on the settings. Let's tap on the languages here, and in order to add new language to this list, we've got only English, just tap on add keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all available typing languages. So just take a look how wide this list is. So I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. So all you have to do is find the language, first of all, and then just tap on it. So let me pick Arabic. Let's tap on it, and if you can choose the region, like in my case, just do the same, so tap on the option you'd like to use. Here you've got some keyboard options, so obviously you can choose the one you'd like to use and tap on done. As you can see, we just got back, and here we've got the keyboard, and we've got two differences between this keyboard and the previous one. Firstly, the spacebar is not empty, we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got new icon, globe icon, which will let us change the languages. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Arabic one. Let me tap on it again, and the same situation again, English. So actually, this is how to add the new language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you do not need two different languages and you want to leave only the newly chosen one. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages and tap on this pencil icon. As you can see, all we have to do right now is simply mark the language we'd like to remove, and in my case it will be Arabic, and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, it immediately disappears. So after getting back to the keyboard, we can check that we have no globe icon. What's more, the spacebar is empty, so it means that we successfully removed it. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.